Twitter has announced and released an entire updated and new suite of advertising solutions for businesses. In this video, I'm going to go over what those changes are and how you can capitalize on them to grow your business. Okay, so earlier this year, we saw Twitter release the Twitter Pixel, the conversion API, and the app purchase optimization. Putting on top of these advertising products, Twitter has released a whole suite of new and improved tools to maximize the ROI of Twitter ads, which I believe is potentially a massive game changer for businesses moving forward. Now, quickly to go over the last products, the Twitter Pixel is very similar to the Facebook Pixel, not quite as advanced, but basically it's a small text file that you put onto your website. And this is referred to as a cookie. Basically, it helps the website remember important information about the user's visits and how it can be used in the future to target those same users or similar audiences. Now, third-party cookies are no longer supported by most browsers. However, Twitter uses what's called first-party cookies, which is actually more accurate with matching and attributing user behavior. Conversion API, simply put, increases the measurement options and provides you with more control over what data is actually shared. One of the major differences is the ability to track offline conversion events. Now to the juicy stuff. What has Twitter actually released? Well, let's go down the list. First, we've got website conversion optimization. This is a major rebuild to the conversion goal that Twitter claims will improve the way advertisers reach customers who are most likely to convert on a lower funnel website action. So for example, an add to cart. This allows you to identify the specific goal beyond the landing page visit, meaning you can now target an audience that is more likely to meet the specific goal that you have input. Twitter claims that this could see a 25% reduction in cost per conversion. Dynamic product ads. Now, this allows advertisers to showcase the most relevant product to the right audience at the right time that is best suited to drive sales and conversions. With dynamic product ads, you can retarget and prospect. By retargeting with the dynamic product ads, you can now serve that individual audience with products that they have engaged with on your website but may not have actually purchased yet. And by prospecting, you can acquire new customers or get people into the advertising loop. And these are people who have not visited your website with the goal of featuring products that they are most interested in or are most relevant to them. Collection ads. Collection ads are a new ad format that allows advertisers to showcase a collection of product images through primary images. So Twitter said that this creates an immersive and visually forward experience for people on the platform. And Twitter has actually claimed that there's a potential of a 42% increase in click-through rate and a 54% increase in average conversions per impression. Okay, so what is my take? Well, every platform that comes along, in my opinion, brings new businesses with it in the form of affordable advertising that smart people can take advantage of and capitalize on. Without testing these new features myself, I cannot make any guarantees, but I feel like as Twitter grows, there is more and more potential to produce results that marketers haven't seen since the early days of Facebook with crazy conversions. Not to mention, unlike YouTube or Facebook, Twitter isn't littered with ads like those platforms are. However, the ads that I do see on Twitter, I must admit, very rarely relevant to me at all. I believe if Twitter can get this to work as they have described, Twitter advertising could be a massive game changer for small businesses. At the moment, I do believe that it's too expensive, but like I said, I haven't tested it since then. And small businesses who decide to get on board and give it a go, may be able to take advantage of this new system. I will be testing out these features myself. I'm actually going to do a full video showcasing the entire experience in creating a new campaign for Twitter. I'll show you how to do it, and I'll share the results that I actually get as well. So make sure you don't miss that one by subscribing below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.